Hello and welcome to my another episode on European market. Today on 21st January 2021 I will discuss about certain stocks which I am expecting to show good positive move in the London stock market. Hello, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayStromoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you to my European markets analysis series, and this is my another episode which today on 21st January 2021. So in this episode I will discuss about certain stocks which I am expecting to show some positive move in the London stock market. So before coming directly to the stocks, let us first discuss about the stocks which I have discussed in my previous episode on European markets, which I have uploaded on 20th January, that is yesterday. And in the yesterday's episode I have discussed stocks like Sage, which was up by 2.30% approximately, and the another stock was ITV, which was also up by around 1% in the yesterday's market. And in the previous episode I strongly put my view that I am expecting some positive move in these two stocks, and similarly things can be seen in these two stocks in the yesterday's market. And if we look at the indices, then FTSE 100 was also up by around 0.5%. And also if we see the index of the Germany, that is DAX, it was also up significantly by 0.77%. And across almost all the indices in the Europe, we experienced significant upward movement in the yesterday's market. So for today I would like to continue with my previous stocks, that is Sage and ITV. These two stocks are expected to show further positive move in today's trading session also in next coming trading days. Therefore you can see further positive move in Sage and ITV in London stock market in today's and next coming trading sessions. Also, if you haven't subscribed our channel till yet, then do subscribe our channel to get timely notifications whenever we upload new episodes. And also you can also join our channel by pressing the join button to get advanced analysis on European markets, stocks, commodities and currencies, and also for the American and Asian markets. So thank you and good day.